Hello, my name is Jackie. Ouch. Welcome to another gaming video in my gaming channel. Today, I'm here in Islands. Oh, it's not. Okay. Okay. First, off cam, I built this little store. I have 2 vending machines now. Okay. Off cam, I got them. I know that is. I got them off cam. So this is dry grass, gravel, wood, and stone. Okay, and this iron door on the shoulder. So I don't know, is this too expensive, but I will make it cheaper. Maybe 500. Because other YouTubers make it like 2,000. What is this weird thing? I don't really understand this. Okay. 500, and this thing. Now, this doesn't deserve this money. Okay, so first let me let me go out. Oops. Okay. It's coming. So I don't know, do you see the thing, this top left hand corner, this thing? But if you see it, then okay. Congratulations. But I don't know, did my recorder thing record the Mac creator, the Mac creator, and off cam I built this too. First, the Mac creator, I can use a glitch. Let me get away from that Mac creator. This is a very efficient way to farm wood, and DV Plays showed this technique in his video, so I watched his video, and I think it's so good. So yeah, I just do this, then I can farm a lot of wood. Since a lot of people are asking for wood now because of the what do you call it? The arrows and the bows. So yeah. Seems like nobody just come. But today's video, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to get a lot of aquamarines. Okay, a lot. And I want to try getting what do you call? F1. Press F1. Okay. I started the macro creator. I'm gonna walk a little bit crazy and okay. See? Just see, it's minigun. Oh, more aquamarine first. Oh, it's a minigun. Okay, more. Another minigun. Okay. Do this. Also, this minigun technique is also from DV Plays. So I like his video so much. And DV, if you are watching this, definitely not, because my videos are dumb. But if you are watching this, thank you. Okay. Let me see. I don't think my pickaxe is actually moving. I mean, it's shivering. too fast actually. It's very fast. Okay. Spawn. Boo 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 boo. Okay. Okay. And wait for it. Okay. Let me check out the more aquamarines. So there's one more. Let me see after this will it respawn aquamarine. I paused it. Let me see. 69 aquamarines, not bad. Not bad. Did it respawn an aquamarine up there? No. How about here? Respawn. Go ahead and respawn an aquamarine. Okay, fine. Let me go to the Buffer Island to farm some crystallized gold. And in the meantime, I can farm some crystallized iron. You know? And I started the script again. So you can see that I go a little bit glitchy. Milligun. And I think mining stone is the fastest. Go, 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 go! Let me try if I use my hammer, will it be very crazy? Oh, my hammer. Again, my hammer. Oh, this works as auto clicker. Wait, 2 hits? I don't know. Let me kill this goose now. Ouch. Never mind. Okay. Here I come. And okay, the script has started. Okay. Oh, laggy. My camera is not turning there. Go, go! Well, I can go for speed. Crazy. I can't walk. And it goes spawn. I don't see any gold. I can stay in this area, so that if gold spawn, it's a very efficient way of farming crystallized gold. I can sell money with it with crystallized gold. Oh, gold! Crystallized gold, crystallized gold, crystallized gold, and no crystallized gold. No. And this is a glitch, so I don't think it will get banned, but I hope do not. Okay, crystallized gold, crystallized gold. Please. I want more crystallized gold. I mean, I have 0 crystallized gold. I want some crystallized gold. Okay. Minigun. Walk faster! Okay. Go, 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 go. And, oh, gold. Okay, no crystallized gold. That's fine. If I don't have crystallized gold, can I at least have crystallized iron, please? I will appreciate crystallized iron more than crystallized gold. Okay, no precise gold. Oh, gold ore. Apple. And walk. Okay. I can't walk so fast. You stuck. It's glitchy. Let me try to mine an acorn. Oh. Okay. Walk. Hello? Oh, 2 gold rocks. And actually, there's a problem when I'm doing in a public server because maybe somebody will steal my gold rocks. So let me mine the gold one first. Okay. Walk. Gold rock number 1. Oh, that's an invitation sound. That is not a green sound. If I hear a green sound from mining those rocks, that means that I got a crystallized stuff or something. I think actually. Because every time I got a crystallized sound, I hear green. Go. Mining. Oh, it's so laggy. Go. No rocks here. No here. Okay, speed. Oh, that's not a crystallized gold. That's an invitation. Another invitation. What? Hello? Okay. And I can't go. Turn my camera. Okay. It's so hard to walk and so hard to turn my camera now. Okay. If I press. Okay. Okay. Crystallized gold, and the gold rocks. If there is gold wrong, I can get a crystallized gold. Oh, a gold rock. No crystallized gold. It's too rare. It's too rare. Okay, nothing here. Move! And so guys, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please like the video. Also, if you watch the more videos on my channel and you think the videos on my channel are good, please subscribe. Bye guys. Push. Okay, bye guys. Hello?